Hi there, my name is Tamás Zsoltnagy. I'm a 2D animator and I've been using Cartoon Animator 5 for 6 years. I recently submitted an entry to the Animation Network contest of Illusion. This is an educational and entertainment short film made for children. I designed a human and 2 animal characters and used also a few third-party stuff for this short movie. I want to show you the key steps of the production process, focusing on the practical use of Cartoon Animator 5. Even though Cartoon Animator 5 works fine with raster images, I prefer to use vector files for characters and sometimes for the props too. The reason is that this way I can animate my characters without compromise. I can scroll and zoom in the scene without limits because the picture quality will not change, my actors will be vivid even in the very close view. Many of vector editors are compatible with the pipeline version of the software. I use Adobe product, so in this example you will see some insights on how I prepare my characters in Illustrator. Illusion gives you excellent templates that drive you through the design process. Whatever vector format you create your characters or props in, you must save or export them in SVG format, because this is the format that Cartoon Animator handles. Take care of the structure and the name conventions of the templates. When you import these assets in Cartoon Animator, most of the errors and warnings would come because of the missing folders. For example, it's a blocking error if a sprite folder has no corresponding bone folder. I like experimenting with the standard templates to see what modifications of the templates Cartoon Animator supports. For example, my animal characters are a kind of combination of quadruped and human templates having human head and animal body. Importing the characters is quite easy. There are 3 ways. Drag and drop the file into Cartoon Animator. Open Create Character from the menu bar. Open the Create Character window from Functional Toolbar. After the character is imported, you will arrive in Composer mode. Here you can set up many things. For example, you can change image orders or set the mask attributes in the Layer window. You can set up the head of the character in the 360 Head Creator. I have a tutorial video about puppet animation in Cartoon Animator 5, so I don't want to go into the very details now. But to get some basic impressions of what is possible to do with this great tool, I will show you a little insight now. Even if you are not live streaming, I recommend you always apply puppet animation in all cases when the character is talking to an audience. It will simplify your work and it will save you lots of time. You can see it's a very simple way to control the character animation, just pressing keyboard shortcuts and clicking your mouse. The camera control panel was introduced in Cartoon Animator 5.3 and we have got a professional toolset with this innovation. I usually save close camera shots for the actors and a few camera angles for distance views. When there is a conversation between the actors, I can switch to the camera focusing on the character who is currently speaking, or I can switch to a distance camera view. The camera switch key is always auto-added on the track, and I can work with it as I do with any other timeline track keys. The full movie consists of many video footages, pictures and other graphical elements with special transitions and effects that I edited in Premiere Pro. So I have exported all the animations into the required formats. Luckily, Cartoon Animator has several supported video formats that we can use for the rendering. I rendered the basic story to MP4. I set the frame size to HD quality and selected super sampling. But I needed a few transparent videos for the explainer sections. So I exported all the animations where Ken is talking in front of the Chameleon videos and pictures as transparent MOV files. I added these transparent footages as front layers above the background video footages and pictures in Premiere Pro. The final edition of the short movie was done in Premiere Pro. I have put all the media files together in the required sequence and added graphic elements and effects to them. I placed the talking candy transparent videos in the video track lines above the relevant background footages. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time. Bye bye.